as you know that data can be arranged in two ways. One is group data and second is ungrouped data. In the ungrouped data we have individual series, that means individual items are given and the frequency is not given, and in the group data we have classes and frequency, and in this we have discrete series and continuous series. This you have done earlier, so I need not repeat it again in detail. So we will be taking the calculation of arithmetic mean in all these three types of series: individual, discrete and continuous series. Okay. Now here let us move to this part. There are two types of arithmetic mean. One is simple arithmetic mean and second is weighted arithmetic mean. Right? Now first we will be taking only simple arithmetic mean. This one, the first one we will be taking now. And there are three methods of calculating simple arithmetic mean. What are these three methods? One is direct method, second shortcut method, and third is step deviation method. There are three methods. Now let us see calculation of arithmetic mean in individual series first, and then we will be moving to discrete and continuous series. Now in case of individual series, as I told you earlier, individual items are given with no frequencies. So data are listed as they are observed. So whatever data is given, you have to note down all the data, get the total of value and divide this total by number of observations. How? It is clear here. Now by the direct method, in the case of individual series, first we will apply the direct method, then shortcut method, then step deviation method. Now this is direct method. Then this direct method, suppose marks scored by students are 40, 45, 50, 55, 60 and 65. This is a simple example I have taken to tell you the method of calculation. These are the marks scored by 6 students. Now how to calculate the arithmetic mean by direct method? You have to make two columns here. First column will be number of students and second column will be for marks. Number of students are not given over here, but you will count the number of items here and accordingly you will label it here. Right? Marks are given because this is the case of individual series. Marks are given, so copy down the marks accordingly and name this column as X. Right? So marks are noted down and students according to the number of items 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now how to calculate the arithmetic mean? In the case of direct method, this is the formula for calculation of arithmetic mean. X bar is equal to x1 plus x2 plus x3 so on xn upon n. Now what does this mean here? X1 is this, x2 is this is x3, x4, x5 and so on, and n is total number of items. Now in the compact form we can say the formula x bar is equal to sigma x. Sigma means total, you know the symbol of sigma. Sigma means sum or the total. So sigma x means total of these upon n. This formula is the same as this one. This is the compact form of it. Now here in this case, whatever example we have taken over here, now the total sigma x is how much? This is 3, 1, 5 upon the number of items are 6. Now what we get here? This is 52.5. This is the arithmetic mean. We apply the formula and get the value placed here. Sigma x is this much, sigma total of x, this is sigma x. This is equal to 315 and number of item, total number of items are 6. So we have divided 315 by 6 and we get this value. This is known as arithmetic mean. That means average marks of these students whatever the figures are given here. How much? 52.5, right? So this method is known as direct method, and here sigma x sum of all values, n is number of observations, x bar is equal to arithmetic mean. Clear? So this is the direct method of calculating arithmetic mean, and you have to learn the formula for direct method, right? And accordingly, when you know the formula, you have to make the columns. Immediately you know that what values you need for these two symbols, sigma x and n. So accordingly you will do the calculation over here and place the values and get the mean, right? So this is one method, that is direct method of calculating arithmetic mean.